Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn local and global variable. So let's try to understand it. What is local and global variable? As you can see, we assign a variable z and its value is 49. Inside the function, we assign another variable y and its value is 45. The variable outside the function is called global variable and the variable inside the function which is called local variable. But there is difference between these two variables. Let's try to understand it practically. As you can see side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And inside the script tag, first I'm going to declare a variable var a, which is a global variable, equal to 34. And then I'm going to create a function named age function, and our function name is age. Then inside the curly braces, I'm going to type document dot write. Inside the round braces, I want to print the variable a as semicolon to end this line. And now I want to call the function. Our function name is age and semicolon to end this line. If I set this file, as you can see, it's print 34. But we create a variable outside the function. And now I want to print this value without function. So here I'm going to type document dot write inside the round braces our variable name a and semicolon to end this line. And also I'm going to add a br tag in this statement which is inside the function. Concatenation sign inside the double quotes br. If I set this file, now you can see it print 34 and 34. Our first value coming from age function and our second value coming from document.write statement. Here I just want to say we can use global variable inside the function and outside the function. We can use it anywhere. But if I move this variable inside this function, let me show you. So I'm going to cut this variable and paste it inside this function. And then set this file. Now you can see it's print 34 only one time. It's print the value from the age function. But it do not print the value from the document statement because now it's not a global variable. Now it's local variable. And it's work only for this function, not outside the function. And if I show you my console section, you can see an error in line number 70. Let me show you. Inspect console. As you can see, it's print unquote reference error. A is not defined. Line number 70. And you can see the result. At line number 70, we print this statement. Now, a is not a global variable anymore. That's why it cannot print this statement. But if I redeclare this variable again, let me show you. Now, I'm going to redeclare this variable as a global variable. And I'm going to change the value. 44. If I set this file, now you can see our document.write statement print 44. But our function return 34. Because when we use the same variable name inside the function, I want to say if we use the local variable using same name, it's going to override the old variable. That's why our function and document statement return different value. So I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video.